Hello traders, how are you? I hope you guys are good. Guys, thank you for liking and subscribing my channel since I see the number of subscriber has reached past 100. So guys, without your effort, it wasn't possible. Thank you guys that you guys are learning as well as earning. So the best thing about is that everything is, free, right? So life becomes very easy when you get right knowledge and right support. So guys, I thank you everyone for that. So let's make this community as much bigger as we can, and we can help other also because getting job is very difficult, I understand, and to earn for live livelihood it's very difficult. So you guys are doing your level best. Thank you guys. So चलिए आज की डे एनालिसिस पे बात करते हैं. तो गाइस आज हमने देखा कि मार्केट डिडंट वेंट either side, it went only sidewise. So आज पूरे डे में अगर देखा जाए तो when it comes to 1 minute chart, so guys, nifty and bank nifty all went sideways, right? So there was not much movement. Okay, so there was a certain gap down and not much movement, it went sideways. So guys, will the level for tomorrow, like unless or until if it won't break its previous day high, day trade, we won't trigger any of the trade. And since the nifty is in downtrend, we should maintain downtrend itself only. We should be bearish on both nifty, but the sentiments are keep changing as the selections are coming. So I think it could be bullish also. Well, I cannot come to any of the conclusion, right? Both side it can go. So anyway, let's talk about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty guys, same thing. Trend is downward and it went sideways. Nothing much to say. If it breaks previous day, today's high or today's lows, then only we can come to at some conclusion. Till then, stay safe. Don't trigger any trade without guidance. Keep learning. And yeah, always consult a financial advisor before triggering any trade. So guys, thank you for your support, for liking and subscribing my channel. I hope you guys have been enjoying my live session and making profits as well as learning something new. So guys, thank you.